you just follow the host and find the number of hosts, and from that you find the number of bit required for host. Okay, the n is actually how much. After you find the n, 32 minus the n, you'll get the CIDR, okay, or mask length, subnet mask length. This is actually also known as a subnet mask length. So this is actually should be /23. Okay, can boleh kan? So if you look at our question that day, this answer question that is. Okay, we focus on getting the n and then the CIDR only. Then I think the rest actually not so difficult. You can refer to the table and then you know how to do it. This is actually the homework assignment that you submitted. Maybe you submit copying, or you get the answer from the what to call ChatGPT or Gemini, whoever it is now, that teacher, your friend that day. I don't mind, and it's actually learning process. Okay, copying is actually learning. You need to know copying is actually learning process, not in the exam. That's all. Copying is actually learning process before exam. Well, let's say your friend already done it, you go and copy, you try to understand, take time to try to understand. That's actually learning process, not during the exam. During the exam, it's actually offense. Okay, as I told you, don't bother about what to call this class. I mean, bother means you need to know lah. I mean, 192 actually this actually belong to class C. This is all you should know. That's actually different department. Okay, like that day I give you the table, right? This one you need to know. Okay, this actually 12126 actually class A. This try to remember, at least until class C. DE we won't use. Okay, at least remember, try to remember. Okay, but if the marks also won't be very high if you give a wrong answer. Yang penting, I mean the important actually the next part. Okay, so class C 192.168.5.0/24. Okay, so like that day your friend said, okay, this is actually the 24. Why not we just use all these 50, 30 and 20 all together inside this one? That's actually one topic where what is that? Fixed length subnet masking, fixed length. That's actually FLSM. I'll come back to that one later. We'll do comparison. Okay, and this one. Okay, so this actually for VLSM, like what we do always, we actually will allocate the subnet address, okay, or subnet mask based on the different department or different group, okay, so that easier for us to manage and to reduce the wastage of the addresses. Okay. So for this question, 50 host, right? How much the host? 50. Okay, so what we supposed to do? Find the n value. So we have to find the n value. So 2 power of n, which one will give more than 50? At least or more than 50. 2 power of 6, 64, right? So 2 power of 6, 64, okay, greater than 50. So this is actually correct. Done one part, actually done one hurdle. After that, CI DR, how much? I mean the mask length, 32 minus 6. This 6 you have to minus here. You'll get how much? 26. So this CID actually /26 for this what they call 50 host. Okay, let's say we label this one as 1, Can? Then for the second part, I mean second department or whatever it is, 30. Host actually 30. Okay, we need to find what is the n. 2 power f, n should be greater than 30. So for this 2 power 5 actually sufficient, 32, right? So this will give 32 minus 5 is 27. So the answer should be slash 27. So this 32 is actually come from where? The whole bit, whole length of bit. We have like a 8, 8, 8, 8, 4, 8, right? 4 times 8 is actually 32 bits. Okay. Total is actually 32. So 32 minus 5 is actually 27. Then part 3 is management 20. Management 20. Host is actually 20. How much? Still 5. Okay, still 5. Greater than 30. So this is also slash. I need to repeat again because same thing. Correct now. Okay, this is the way to for you to find the mask length or the what is this? CIDR. Much more clear than before this, because this is now the day we actually analyze the solution. Today we actually do the solution. Today do the solution. Okay. Now you have to try. In my class you have to try. Not I'm doing that because I'm not going to do the exam. I'm just going to mark your paper later. Easy job. Mark your paper. Easy job. Easy job. Easy lah actually. Doing exam actually more worse. I know. As a student, experience very bad experience. I mean answering the exam paper. So marking actually very nice, you know. So we can kutuk you. See this one also don't know to do. Right or not? So many times teach in the class, still doing the same mistake. This one should never come to the class, empty paper. Okay. But very less students, huh? This is not 154, you know.